Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Ruger. I'm just doing a quick video today on my XT250. It's a 2017 model. I'm just doing a quick overview of the setup, how I have it set up, what mods I have done on it. I just wanted to do a quick video because when I bought this, I bought it brand new, and I searched online what mods other people had done to their XTs, to their Ceros. So I just want to share mine, give you guys some ideas of what can be done, what others have done, and what you might like and what you might not. So starting from the front, I have this DIY. If you look at the headlight, I wanted a headlight guard, and they had so many for Harleys and other motorcycles, but not really for an XT250. So I just made this one just straight kind of wire mesh, cut it, sanded it, screwed it onto the bolts here, painted it black, and to me it looks pretty good. Protect my actual headlight, right, being glass. Next up, I have the tires here. Once I wore out my standard tires came with, I got some Dunlops. These are 591s. In the rear, I'm running 401s Dunlop again. I need a little bit more of a street tire. I do say 90% street riding, 10% off-road, and I haven't taken these off-road, but on the street, a lot smoother ride, so I'm loving them. Let's see, I do have these SW Motex. As you can see, I have taken some hits. I have dropped the motorcycle going off-road. That's where that's from, but these knuckle protectors really do work. Threw in some reflective tape, kind of make me more visible on the road. Definitely enjoy that. You'll see that throughout the bike. Let's see. Going down, I do have this. I bought it on YouTube, on Amazon. Not too sure what the vendor is, but it was kind of protect it from debris going into my exhaust pipe, or that part there. I forget who makes it, but I think it helps protect at some level of protection, helps out. Underneath, I have made videos on the skid plate. There it is. That's a Mongoose Racing modified. Drilled some holes. This is the California model XT250, so I do have that CO2 canister and modified the skid plate. Happy with that. Next, I have these engine guards or engine covers that I found. Had a hard time finding them here for, in the U.S. for an XT250. I know they have them for sport bikes, but I was concerned about drop protection if I ever dropped this going off-road, or just a small dropping of the motorcycle. I didn't want to crack my oil pan or crack anything. So I found these in Japan. This being called the Cero. They love them over there, so they do offer different colors. I didn't have to buy it from a website in Japan. They shipped it over, so a little bit extra for the international shipping, but I love it. I love the way it looks. It's just some rubber, and it sticks on, and it works, protects in case I ever drop the bike. Next to it, this was the DIY, just some metal. Stuck it there for same reason, in case I drop it, offer some extra protection. Like I said, I do have more reflective tape. This helps kind of be seen at night. So again, that's out through the bike. Let's keep going. Let's see. So here I do have a phone mount. I do have these on the extra mirrors and go off-roading. Alright, those work kind of sometimes for the blind spots. I can take off the actual mirrors if I do go off-roading, just leave the small ones. It kind of helps with lane splitting here legal in California. Let's see, that's going down. I do have this Happy Trail gear rack. I enjoy it, use it when I commute. Sometimes I'll put my backpack back there, lock it. I do have a locking mechanism. Sometimes lock up my motorcycle jacket to this. So again, reflective tape, be seen. There's the Dunlop 401s. Again, smooth ride. I like them. Down here I have a Seta chain guard. The one that comes with the original XT250, it's kind of self-enclosed, so it kind of traps all that oil, that grime, that mud. I didn't like it. It made it pretty hard to clean the chain, so I knew I needed to upgrade, and it works off the existing screws. So that's a really neat upgrade there. A lot easier to kind of clean my chain when I did go off-roading. Still offers protection. You know, still kind of make sure you tie your laces, careful with your pant leg, but it just makes it a lot easier to clean. And it just looks better as well. All right, go on the other side. So here's the protection, kind of the engine protector. Here's a DIY. This is just the pin. Painted it, offered some protection. Let's see. Keep going. I added this here. Not sure if you can see. As being a Wolfman kind of muffler protector. So again, when I carry stuff here on the rack, on the Happy Trail rack, sometimes it hangs over either backpack straps or you kind of strap things down. Yamaha does have protection here. This just offers an extra level. So if you're ever riding 2-up in this, right, you can. You just need to make sure that your passenger's not gonna burn their leg or damage themselves or anything you strap down. So there's that. On this side, more visibility there. Oh, one thing I did forget, which I think besides the skid plate and the rack, this is kind of must do. This is for your helmet. You can see it here. It's called in extough.biz. It's to hang your helmet. So I don't know how many times you just get to your destination and you want to be able to hang off your helmet. This is wonderful. I forgot how much I paid for it. Fairly cheap. It's made out of good strong plastic. You can even lock if you wanted to. But you get there, just hang your stuff while you're waiting for someone, while you're on your phone, while you're just relaxing there, while you're chatting with someone, instead of having to go to the back and lock your helmet there or possibly drop your helmet. I have dropped my helmet before I got this installed. Super easy. Really enjoy it. But there it is. There are some simple upgrades or modifications you can do to your motorcycle. Again, this being a XT250 2017 model, and you know, hopefully give you guys and gals some ideas what you can do to your XT250. Right, make it your own. It's your bike. Do what looks good and feels good for you. Right, there's very little that you can carry on it. Make sure you do some upgrades, be able to increase your range, your capabilities, and just get you more on the saddle. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay safe, everyone.